Hello guys, I'm Alan Kurz to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your email ID in case someone has hacked your email ID, someone has hijacked your email ID, or someone has stolen your email ID, change the password. Even if you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number, how do you assist to recover quickly? Yes, there is alternative way by providing substance information without having to register the recovery mobile number and email and the password. You can recover your email ID. How is it possible? We will see live here. Due to losing of a special device, the one viewer who has recommended this ID to recover quickly. Let's see how it. So see guys, here this is ID particulars that we would like to recover. So click on a try again, and what will happen here? See, as we know that similar strategy you will have to apply, otherwise you will have the problem also. So now see, in a recovery phase you will have to enter especially this ID, then we will go for next and we will see here what will happen. Now here see, either we have to enter the password or we can go with the especially try another way. So just we will pick up this ones. We don't have especially in the password, that's why we don't have a phone number. So without making delay, just we will click on it here, don't have, and now see here, just we will click on here, don't have. Now see here, it's the same, couldn't sign in. Here we cannot try again. If we try again, then of course we will have to give this a proof identity on the basis of Google Mail and also to justify that this ID is really yours or not. And if it is yours, then of course within 48 hours it will give you an opportunity to create the strong password. So it make a delay. So that's why quickly how do you save your data? We will see here live. We will cut it from here, and of course we will have to come in a Play Store. We will have to download this Soul browser, and upon let it download. So it has started to download. On the other hand, of course we have to follow 2-3 instructions. Click on a Google, yes, hold, click on a help icon, and upon here what we have to do, just make notifications that should be blocked. So if it is enabled, then you will have to make it disable, and upon come the permission, navigate the location guys. In location we will have to make the precise location disabled. So just we will click on here, make it disable, and upon click on a don't allow any bin. Now we will cut it from here. Once again, one product is more of Google, just we will click on here, hold this Chrome, and of course we will come in a help icon too. Notification, it's already blocked, but ours, just let me verify. And of course in the permission, navigate the location, make it disable, and upon click on here. So it's asking so similar that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your devices may no longer function as intended. For time being I'm doing it, then we will do the results. We will enable once again. Now here this browser has been open here. So before going the browser, let's check it out that in the Play Store it's a good one browser or not. So by keeping on here, holding on especially Chrome browser, click on help icon, and upon of course come in a browser. In apps browser there is of course it's coming, it means of course this is the register and the good browser. Now of course we will open it, and upon we will see here further. Yes, we will have to start, click on a start, and upon here we will have to go for just on a Google. So Google here in the sign, just we will click on a sign in, and here just we will have to enter this particular ID that we want to recover. So let's see, we will write here JU, just this ID it is. Yes, we will go for next, and what will happen here guys, in the next we will have to enter the forgot password, because I have forgot a password, and here is asking that phone number, you will get an OTP, enter the registered phone number. But if I enter this number also, OTP will be sent to my who has stolen my device or I have lost, and there. So quickly I click on I don't have a phone number, and now see what will happen. It's saying they couldn't sign in, so because I did not provide enough similar. But when here I will click here to try again, so then of course it will be freeze for time being, or 48 hours for 1 day 2 days, that I'm trying to recover the particular ID that doesn't belong to me by a different browser I'm trying to recover. So that's why just we will cut it from here, and upon tap in a setting, guys, and quickly let's see now how it can be the recovers. Just we will come in the Google service. In the Google service here we will click on the three icons and pick the help options, and thereupon yes, click consign in, and thereupon here now you will have options. You will have to explain the appropriate answer. Yes, you think someone else is using fourth numbers, just we will have to pick, and thereupon of course we will click secure your account, and thereupon after coming the secure your account, just click review your account activities. Now we have options to find out if your account has been hacked. This one we will pick, and thereupon of course we will scroll up and click on a recovery account page, and this page will be open, and now we are here. Now directly what we have to do here, write this particular ID that we want to recover. Now what we have to do here, guys, just simply we will go for next. Now see directly what we landed here, and now we have option here. See, change the password, go for continue. If I go for continue, then directly we can change their alternative, yes, phone number and email. If we don't, then we can go for change the password. Picks this one. We have a two method, that is a of course absolutely valid. So now here create a strong password, create a strong confirmation password, and thereupon go for change the password. Now see, magic will happen. So quickly you can access to the recovers. Go with similar status to the recovers. For any kinds of the confusion, query, of course, blindly raise the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And one thing more, that please ponder, these tutorials is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse that. And of course, if you found this is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe and share of this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorials, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.